please help me?
Hehehe. She's trapped in prison.
Help me.
And I have the keys.
Please, somebody. Somebody.
How about we give her some food to wipe? What about dogs, you guys? Here, for while you're in prison.
This is all I get to eat?
No. Well, I thought you might get bored. Well, you could eat that.
Maybe you can let me out instead?
No. You guys give her a toy. Give her a toy. Here's something so you don't get bored. You guys, I'm gonna give her a book. I know this is gonna be hard to flip, but
I just want to go.
no.
Please?
If you want to make it 10 more minutes, and if you be good, I'll give you a chance to try and escape. Hey!
I was just going to play with them.
You better, if I do.
Hey, come back here. You want to trade?
Nah.
I'll give you the shiny ring.
Let me
With jewels.
Ooh. Tradies. First give me the ring.
Okay, but I gotta have the keys.
Okay. First give me the ring.
But what if you just keep it?
I won't. Okay, thanks. I'll keep my eye on you, Missy. You guys have the keys. Hey! Don't be trying to unlock the handcuffs.
I was just looking at them.
I have my eye on you, Missy.
Look, I'm just trying them on as a new ring. See? That's all.
Hey, you're trying to escape. And if you want to take it 10 more minutes.
What's that over there?
Hey.
I'm just gonna have a little alone time over here.
Tell me if you have to go pee-pee. Or the potty. You guys try to escape. Hey, don't be trying to escape.
I wasn't the smell. I had to get it. My fish.
You're in here for 2 more minutes.
Why though? Why are you doing this to me?
Because you ate cookies without asking from the cookie jar.
But it didn't say. It didn't say I had to ask. It just said cookies. What's a girl supposed to do when she sees cookie? Oh, hi.
How about I try to find you some cookies? And you won't steal. You guys are going to try to find her some cookies. Something sweet. I couldn't find any. Hey! 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 I brought you a donut, but you have to get back into those handcuffs. Well, no donut for you. I'll just eat with coffee. You dirty, 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 dirty woman. Tell it to the judge.
No, you're under arrest.
You can't arrest me.
Are you gonna say it?
Get back in your handcuffs.
You're gonna have to make me.
To be continued.